God!
Sino may gusto ng ihaw?
Me!
Tilapia. And our sinigang na tilapia.
Wow! Ihaw, ihaw.
Magdidinengdeng tayo.
Yung abdo.
Ganyan pala.
Bagong catch sa pond.
Catch and cook.
Bingwit mo, iihawin mo.
Bingwit mo, pagkain mo.
Iihawin mo. Okay. Done.
Number 1 is done.
Ihaw, ihaw. Tours.
We are now kaliskising. Kaliskising the fish.
Moving the scale.
Yes.
Fresh from the pond. Ihawin natin.
Later. We will ihaw, ihaw. Buhay pa siya, ma?
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Okay, fish number 1 done. Oh, lala. Oh my god.
I know how to catch.
Wrong.
Sino may gusto ng ihaw?
Me!
Dami na. Batay gulay mamaya.
Talabat.
Ay! Alalala!
Ang tawag dyan, ma. Fish. Small bulldog fish. We are now frying.
Frying?
Ay, frying.
Grilling.
Frying. The freshly
Slide ka dyan. Mahulog ka dyan.
Mommy the Explorer. We are grilling beside the fish pan. Oh, doon ka na. Ah, smells so yummy.
Ano ka tayo mamaya?
pork belly. So wait till the first side is cooked. Yeah.
Let's go and harvest veggie. Tara. Mag-harvest tayo. Mag-harvest kami ng ano.
Veggie.
For our dinner then, haluan natin na inihaw na tilapia and then sisiga.
Okay. Hello, Amma again. We are ihaw. We are grilling fish beside the fish pond. Wow. We already have cooked fish here, and then not cooked fish yet, and then we have pork and this. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, so smoky.
Sarap.
This is a nice view. Yeah.
Ginagawa nila.
They're playing with airsoft guns. Vlogger yarn. Yes. Finally, it's time to eat. We have
Dinakdakan.
dinakdakan.
Sarbasa by Tik. Inihaw na tilapia. Our dinengdeng, fresh from the garden, lahat ng ingredients and veggies, and our tilapia.
Yeah. It's time to eat. Ayan sila Amma, busy kumain. Busy, sarap ng pagkain. Okay.
Sarap.